Opencart to Etsy integration. Key features at a glance. Connect Opencart store with Etsy in one click. Bulk product upload, plus category/attribute mapping. Manage custom titles, descriptions, price, and quantity. Real-time inventory sync to avoid overselling. Handle Etsy orders directly from Opencart. Shipping templates and shop section management. Sync selected products or full categories via profiles. This is module understanding video of Opencart Etsy module. So here we are proceeding further to first install the module on the store. Here on the right side, you have to go to your store location, and on the left side, you have to find your module file location. Once you find it, go under the upload folder. You have to choose all the 3 folders and drag it to the right end. Once you will drag it, all the 3 files will be overriding to your store file. And once the same is completed, you will find the module under the Module tab. As you can see here in the disabled state, first you have to install the module. Before the installation, you have to go on the Installer tab where you have to upload the OC mode file. You will click on the Upload button. It will read to your local, where you have to choose the OC mode file under the Modules folder. You have to click and it will upload it here. You have to upload your module OC mode file. So go to the folder you have to choose KB Etsy OC module zip. It will be uploaded here as you can see. Now you have to go on the modification page where you have to refresh the page so that the Etsy mode will be listed here. You have to clear the cache and refresh the module. Then you have to go on the Extension tab, move to the Module tab. Here you will find the Etsy module, then you will install it from here. Once the installation is complete, you will have a message that you have modified module. Then click on the Edit button. It will redirect you to the General Setting page. Here, you have to enable the module and give the requested details of Etsy API, Etsy secret key. These API keys you will find on the Etsy developer account. To go on the developer account, we have given the URL. You will click and it will redirect you to the Etsy developer account. Then you have to configure the requested details, and the steps are given below to create the requested details. Once you have created the details and you have uploaded here, then you have to choose the Etsy currency that you wanted to go on the Edis store. Then select your default Etsy language. Then select the additional language to sync in case apart from the default to any other language you wanted to get sync. Then we are having an Etsy order settings. Unpaid order status you have to update. Paid order status you have to update. Then you have to paid order status Etsy to sync. Then the order status that is going to from Etsy to Etsy sync. Then the order status. Next, we are having the shipped order status OC to Etsy sync. Click on Save. Once you will save, you will have an option. You will have a validation in case any of the thing is left, and apart from that, you will have a success message. So here, you have not connected to the store. Click on a Connect button on the top right corner to connect your store with the Etsy. So you have to first click on Save, so the details are saved. You have to click on Connect button so that your module should get connected to the Etsy. Once you will click on Connected to redirect you to the Etsy seller account. So when you will click on the Connect button and the module get connected, it shows like this, like a disconnect button, and it confirms that a module is connected now. So proceeding further, we have a Profile tab. When you will click on it here, you have a validation, like to continue first, you need to map all your Opencart options to Etsy option to sync the products on Etsy. So you will edit it and you will sync it to their specific ones. You have to open cart options of selectors for the devices, open cart option of sizes for the fabric, and save. So now after mapping all the options you have to create a new profile, click on the plus icon. First, you need the shipping template. So first sync that shipping template from Etsy, but also you can create your custom shipping methods. Once you will click on the import, it will run the cron and it will show your success message on the page. You have to refresh the page of shipping template to find the listing. Once you have got the listing, go again on the Profile tab and click on Add icon to add new profiles. Import categories from Etsy as well. Once you will click on the import, it will give you a success message. Go back on the Profile template page and refresh. Now you will create the profile. Give the profile title. Give the profile Etsy category on which your product is going to be synced. Click on Confirm category. Choose a material multi. Choose a primary color. Choose all the product details that are required, which are going to be synced. Now select the store category of which the product is going to be synced. I have chosen a category under which products are mapped and the products are going to listed on Etsy. Then you have to select the shipping template. You can create your own shipping template. Also, you can go and create your custom shipping. Before that, you also need the shop section. So you can import the earlier created shops from Etsy, or else you can create your own. So I have synced the same. To create the new, you have to click on Add New button. It will give you a shop select. You can select the shop. Now you have to give the title of your shop and click on Save. Once you will save, this listing will be shown in the here. Since still you do not have the shop ID, so you have to sync the shop sections. Once you will sync, you will get the ID. Now go back on the page. Go on the Profile tab. Now create a new profile again. So just select the Etsy category under which your profile are going to be mapped and your products is going to be listed. You have selected the category. Choose a material multi, primary color, secondary color, holidays, whatever is suitable for the product that are going to be listed. Here, choose a category of which products are mapped. Then you have to select the shop section. Here, you have to select the template. Here, you have to create your product details. You have to choose if the product is customizable, auto-renew, who made this product, when this product is being made, what is that, a finished or a tool or a raw material, whatever the options is given for your stores. Price type, is it actually, or the special price? The price management you can enable here. In case if it is yes, you can manage the price and choose increase or decrease. If you select a decrease, then the original value whatever of the product price is going to be decreased by €10, and that is going to be listed with the product on the Etsy. So we have created a profile. Now go to the attribute mapping. Go to shop section that we have already seen the shipping template. Click on the products. You have to run the local sync cron from the profile page itself so that the product is going to be listed in the product listing. Now you will go on the product listing and you will find a product listed here. So now you have to sync this product to the Etsy. Run the cron of sync product to Etsy. You have to refresh the page. If you got any error, then you will have an icon like this. So in case there is no error, then the product will be listed and you will get the ID. Here we are getting an error of when it is made. So we have to change the detail. This is not being saved. You have to save every mandatory detail so that the products could sync without any issue. Now again, you have to go on the profile and run the cron of sync product on Etsy. Then you will sync it. Go on the product page, just refresh the page, let it get synced properly. Then the product will be synced completely. Then you will have the listing ID here. As you can see, and you will click on the listing ID. It will redirect you to the Etsy seller page where this product is being listed. As you can see here, the product is listed here. Now, in the order, you will find the orders of, in case any of them made from your account. You can run the cron of sync order from the synchronization tab from here. You will sync and the Etsy order will be listed on the order tab. To update the order status, go on the again synchronization tab. Sync the order status cron, this one, and the status of the order will be updated in your orders tab. On the logs, you will find in case of any detail on whatever the activities has been done in your module. So this is how the Etsy Knowband works on the Opencart store. Thank you.